Welcome smart traders, to today's market analysis on gold, US30, and GbpJpy. In this session, we'll identify key technical levels that can help guide our buy or sell decisions based on market structure and price behavior. Let's begin with gold. On the daily chart, the price is currently in a strong uptrend. However, we can observe that the price has been rejected 3 times from the same zone, indicating the formation of a key resistance area. Additionally, the market has bounced multiple times from a rising trend line, which suggests that the trend line may continue to act as dynamic support. As long as this trend line holds, there's potential for bullish continuation. Now, let's switch to the H4 chart. Here, the structure remains bullish with higher highs and higher lows being formed consistently. I'll mark the most recent higher low, which is an important level to watch. If the price respects this area, we could see another bullish push. However, if the price breaks below the trend line and the most recent higher low, this would be considered a change of character, an early signal that the uptrend might be weakening or reversing. Key levels to watch on gold. $2,300, potential support level for a bullish move, especially if we see rejection or bullish candlestick formations here. $2,443, key resistance zone. If the price reaches this level and shows signs of exhaustion or reversal on lower time frames like the M30, it may offer a sell opportunity, but only after proper confirmation. Now, let's analyze the US30 chart. Starting with the higher time frames, we can clearly identify a previous resistance level, which had held back price movement in the past. Recently, a new resistance level has formed, where the price has been rejected multiple times, confirming the presence of strong selling pressure in that zone. Switching to the 4-hour, H4, chart, this resistance area becomes even more visible, and we can also identify a well-established support level below. These two zones have created a range-bound market structure, where the price has been moving sideways between support and resistance for some time. At the moment, the price is testing the upper boundary of this range, resistance zone, where we're starting to see signs of rejection, indicating that sellers are stepping in again. We are currently near the resistance level at 42,980, and based on price behavior and potential rejection signals, we will look for confirmation on the M30, 30-minute chart, before entering a sell position. Now let's move to the GbpJpy. As we can see, GbpJpy is currently in a strong uptrend, having recently broken above a key resistance level on the daily chart. This breakout is accompanied by the formation of an ascending triangle pattern, a classic bullish continuation pattern, which typically signals the potential for further upward movement. Zooming into the 4-hour chart. The price has clearly broken above the resistance zone while maintaining a structure of higher highs and higher lows, which reinforces the bullish sentiment in the market. At this point, we are anticipating a pullback, retest, toward the broken resistance level, now turned into potential support, around the 196.395 area. This level could serve as a strong entry point if the market respects it. We will wait for the price to return to the 196.395 level and look for confirmation signals before entering a buy trade. Confirmations may include bullish candlestick patterns, for example bullish engulfing, hammer on the M30 or H1 timeframe. Chart patterns like double bottom or bullish flag. Strong rejection wicks or volume spikes from the support area. If you haven't watched my videos on chart patterns and candlestick patterns, I highly recommend checking them out. These foundational topics will help you better understand the concepts and strategies we use during technical analysis. You can find the video links in the top right corner of the screen. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback and engagement mean a lot and help me continue creating valuable content for you.